Hello students, welcome to today's session. In this video, we are going to learn about the definition of the data analytics in a very simple and easy way. This is an important topic for msbte students. So let's get started. First, let's ask ourselves a simple question. What is data analytics? We all generate data every day when we use mobile apps, do online shopping, or even watch YouTube. But how do companies make sense of this huge data? That process is called as the data analytics. Moving to the next point, that is the definition of the data analytics. Here is a simple definition. Data analytics is the process of examining raw data to find useful informations, patterns, and trends for better decision making. In short, we can say that data analytics means analyzing the data to make smart decisions. Next, there are some key points, that is the process, find the patterns, and helps in decision. Let's take first, that is the first step. It is the process of examining the data. That means we look into data carefully. Second, we find patterns and trends, like what customers like or which product sells more. Finally, it helps in decision making, means companies can take better decisions using this information. Next, let's take one example. Imagine an online shopping app. So in online shopping app, they collect data like what products people search for, what they buy, and how much time they spend. By analyzing this data, the app can show better recommendations and offer discounts. This is a real life example of the data analytics in action. Last, we are now in conclusion part. So to conclude this, data analytics is a simply the smart use of the data, and it helps us turn raw data into meaningful insights and supports better decisions in business, education, health, and almost every field today. So thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such simple explanation on msbte subjects. See you in next video. Thank you.